Welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a basic Gantt chart in Google Sheet. So let's get started with the video. So basically, I have a Google Sheet over here. As you can see, a Gantt chart should have a duration. So we will create a duration column over here. And here, in order to find the duration, we will subtract end date minus start date. So basically it is this minus this, that is C2 minus B2. So we're gonna write C2 minus B2 over here, click on enter, and then we're gonna drag it over till the end of the sheet. Now what we want a Gantt chart for this task, start date and duration. How we can create it is we will select these particular columns. First we will select A. In order to select another, what we need to do, just press Ctrl in your keypad and then click on B and then click on D. We are not choosing end date because end date is not necessary in Gantt chart. Later on you have to go on insert. Here you will see an option of chart. Click on that. And here as you can see the basic Gantt chart has been appeared. We will go to customize and here we have to go to series to make it look like in Gantt chart, and here we can edit according to the percentage basically. Just a second. Yes, so you can make the changes or customize over here which line you want, what kind of line you want. Axis should be in right or axis should be in left. You want error bars, data label. So basically this you can make according to your need. You can customize this. So this is how you can create the basic Gantt chart in your Excel or Google Sheet. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.